Welcome to Locally Inspired Vegetarian Eats. I'm Maya, owner and head chef here at Live Kitchen. We're at the beautiful Innisfree Farm in Royston, where we're lucky enough to cook all of our meals out of their commercial kitchen. Here at Live, we want everyone to be able to enjoy a healthy and delicious meal, no matter how busy they are. There's no need for planning, shopping, cooking, and cleaning. We'll take care of it for you. Our aim is to make delicious, plant-forward food more accessible to everyone. We can dramatically reduce our impact on the planet by collectively incorporating more vegetarian meals into our diet. A plant-forward diet is about celebrating the fruits and vegetables, but not focusing on a restrictive diet. Every week, we offer 2 different entrees plus a soup and salad. Place your order online and meals will be delivered right to your doorstep every Tuesday. Made with love and local ingredients, we're here to make your life a little bit easier. Check out our website and I look forward to seeing you.